Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I am fine. I hope you all are fine at home. That is week 3 and lecture number 1. That is about the disorders of the kidney. We will study the kidney stones and the kidney failure in this lecture. Okay, the objectives are here. After this lesson, you will be able to explain the urinary system disorders in the humans and to describe the kidney stones and the kidney failure. Now I'll tell you what are the types and the stages of the kidney diseases. At first stage, 90% of your kidney is in a very good situation, and at stage 2 you can see 60%. At stage 3, that is almost 30% is working. Then at the last stage, that is stage number 5, or we can say kidney failure, only 15% kidney is working. So this is the last stage. After that there is a treatment only, that is the kidney transplant, and this is the only way to survival. The most chronic kidney diseases are the kidney failure, and kidney stones are also common problem of the kidney disorders. You can see in this diagram what are the kidney stones and where they are. Some of the kidney stones are just below the renal pyramids, and some are upper ureteral stone, and some are in the renal pelvic area. You can see the size of the kidney stones are different. Actually, the kidney stones are formed due to the calcium oxalate salts and deposit of the different salts in the kidney. And sometimes when you have too much of certain waste and not enough fluid in your blood, these waste can build up and stick together in your kidneys, and these clumps of waste are called kidney stones. You can see in this diagram here the normal kidneys. Here is the kidney stones in the, they are entering in the ureters, and when they have entered in the ureter, now they are traveled to the kidney bladder, and these kidney stones are made up of oxalate stones, and some are phosphate stones, and cystine stones are also there. The next condition or disorder that is very much painful, and you can say this is the last stage of the kidney disorder, this is the kidney failure. This is also called end stage renal disease. At this stage, after this stage, there is the only solution is the kidney transplant. When your kidney fails, it means they have to stop working well enough for you to survive without dialysis or kidney transplant. Students, now you can see what are the causes and the risks of the factors of the kidney stones. Increased fluid intake, avoid oxalate rich food. It means you have to, like spinach is in your food, it can contain the many calcium oxalate salts which deposit in your kidneys, and then it makes the stones. Reduce the sodium intake, increase the fiber intake. It means you have to take the pulp of the fruit as well, and fibrous foods, not only the juices of the fruits. Kidney stones can be in your kidneys if it is in your family history, and if you do not drink enough water and you follow a diet plan high in protein, sodium or sugar, you are overweight or obese, you have a gastric bypass surgery or another, you take certain medicines such as diuretic, water pills and calcium based antacids. These all are the causes of the kidney stones. In this diagram you can see there are stones which is entering in the ureter, and then this stone is reached to the kidney in the bladder, urinary bladder, and in the ureter it is also present. You have certain conditions that causes the urine to contain high levels of cysteine, oxalate, uric acid or calcium. These cysteine, oxalates and uric acid and calcium, they are the major causes of the kidney stones. You have a conditions that cause the swelling or irritation in your bowel or your joints. These are the reasons, and due to that kidney stones, there is a problem in the kidney. And what are the symptoms of the kidney stones? Pain while urinating and blood in your urine. This can be checked by the test of the urine. And sharp pain in your back or lower abdomen, nausea and vomiting. These are also the symptoms of the kidney stones. In this diagram you can also see both kidneys, where they are located, where is the bladder, where are the ureters, and if the stone is in the ureter, it can reach to the bladder. Now it's a very painful at this stage, so it can be treated by, there are, it can be diagnosed by urine test, blood test, x-rays or CT scan. There is another treatment which is called shock-wave lithotripsy. It means stone can be bombarded by the different waves so that it can be converted into sand, and it can be passed easily from the ureters and then from the kidney bladder. And next treatment is the surgery. It means that the stone can be removed surgically from the kidney by opening it. How can I prevent the kidney stones? Drink enough fluids every day, limiting sodium and animal proteins, meat, eggs in your diet. It means you have to take very less amount of proteins, animal proteins especially, and very less amount of sodium salts, and you have to take the enough fluids like water every day. Okay students, here is your assignment. You have to write a note on the kidney stones and describe the causes of the kidney failure. You have to submit it before the next lecture, and you have to thoroughly read the page number 26 and 27. Here are some visual concepts. You can see them on the YouTube, and the concept will be more clear about the kidney diseases and kidney failure and the kidney stones. Okay, thank you very much.